ദക്ഷസ്തു ധാതുരതിലാളനയാ രജോന്ധോ നാത്യാദൃതസ്ത്വയി ച കഷ്ടമശാന്തിരാസീത് യേന വ്യരുന്ധസ ഭവത്തനുമേവ ശർവം യജ്ഞേ ച വൈരപിശുനേ സ്വസുതാം വ്യമാനീത്. ദക്ഷസ്തു ധാതുരതിലാളനയാ രജോന്ധോ നാത്യാദൃതസ്ത്വയി ച കഷ്ടമശാന്തിരാസീത് യേന വ്യരുന്ധസ ഭവത്തനുമേവ ശർവം യജ്ഞേ ച വൈരപിശുനേ സ്വസുതാം വ്യമാനീത്. ക്രുദ്ധേശമർദിതമഖഃ स तु कृत्तशीर्षो देवप्रसादितहरादथ लब्धजीव त्वत्पूरितक्रतुवरपुनरापशान्तिं स त्वं प्रशान्तिकर പാഹി മരുത്പുരേശ. ക്രുദ്ധേശമർദിതമഖഃ स तु कृत्तशीर्षो देवप्रसादितहरादथ लब्धजीव त्वत्पूरितक्रतुवरपुनरापशान्तिं स त्वं പ്രശാന്തികര പാഹി മരുത്പുരേശ.
Hare Krishna Guruvayurappa. Dashakam 16, Shlokas 9 and 10. The final shlokas of this Dashakam. Shloka 9, Daksha 2. As for Daksha, Dhadu Atilalanaya, being pampered by his father Lord Brahma, Rajontha, blinded by increased Rajoguna and unable to discriminate, Tvai Natyadruta, lost devotion in you, Ashanti Asit, lost peace of mind, Kashtam, alas, Yena Sa, because of which Daksha, Bhavattanum Eva Sharvam Vyarundha, disgraced Lord Shiva, who is also your form, Vairapishune Yajne Swasutam cha Vyamanid, in a sacrifice to express his enmity, insulted his own daughter. The meaning is, with regards to Daksha Prajapati, who is a product of pampering by his father Lord Brahma, became blind by Rajoguna, one of the three qualities, and lost the ability to discriminate. As a result, he lost devotion in you, O Lord Guruvayurappa, and became agitated and troubled in mind. Alas, what a sad state of affair. And in order to unleash his anger at Lord Shiva, who is also your form, O Lord Guruvayurappa, and who was also the husband of Daksha's beloved daughter Sati, and also with an intention of offending Lord Shiva, Daksha organized a yaga or sacrifice in which his daughter Sati was also insulted by him. Now Shloka 10. Kruddesha Mardita Makha. Daksha, whose sacrifice was destroyed by an enraged Lord Shiva. Sa tu. As for Daksha, Kritashirsha was beheaded. Atha. Later, thereafter, Deva Prasadita Harad, from Lord Shiva, who was pacified by the Devas through hymns and praises. Labdha Jiva, life restored once again. Puna Tvat Purita Kraduvara. Puna Tvat Purita Kraduvara. Thereafter, the sacrifice was completed by your grace, O Lord Guruvayurappa. Shandim Apa, attained peace. He Prashandikara, O Lord Guruvayurappa, who bestows peace of mind in devotees. Sa Tvam Pahi Marutpuresha, protect me, O Lord Guruvayurappa. And the meaning is, when Sati Devi, wife of Lord Shiva, was insulted by her own father Daksha, she gave up her life. This enraged Lord Shiva. He sent one of his fierce forms, Veerabhadra, to the sacrificial site and ruined the sacrifice. Moreover, Daksha was beheaded and killed. Thereafter, being appeased by the gods through hymns and praises, Lord Shiva restored Daksha's life. Afterwards, by your mercy, O Lord Guruvayurappa, the sacrifice was also completed and peace returned. O Lord Guruvayurappa, who bestows happiness and peace of mind in your devotees, protect me too. Namaste.